We're gonna see if we can't get on some shark this morning. Got one pole out just for whatever. We got another pole out for a little bit bigger species. A lot of bait running up on the beach this morning. Every time you walk out there to cast, you can see them. Matter of fact, every time this water goes in and out, you can see them pretty well. And I'm hoping that's a good sign. We shall see. Nice little pompano this morning. Yes, sir. Good catch. Good catch. Got a little old twofer. Two for Tuesday. Well, it's Sunday, but whatever. Nice little start.